How to connect Gmail to monday.com. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now, there's actually two ways in order to do this. Now the very first one is an integration. So you want to click over here on your board to integrate, and then go to the integration center. And over here you can already see Gmail. Now click on there, and here you have a bunch of different integrations. So you also have to keep in mind that you want to look for these two icons. So basically, when Monday is first and then Gmail, it is from monday.com to Gmail. But for example, over here, there's also from Gmail to monday.com. So when an email from this email column is received, add this as an update. Or here, it's every time period, if status is something, send an email to someone. So yeah, that is actually pretty nice. So you can choose any of these really. And then you want to add them to your board. Now then you can here choose an account if you already have had an account connected. So you can click on there, or you can also click on connect if you hadn't already. Now then click on connect. Here select the correct Gmail and then make sure to connect it. I've already connected this Gmail, so I'm going to go back, and then I can, let me just click on it again real quick. Then I can just select this one, and then here every time period. So every day at 10 a.m. for example, or every week at 10 a.m. For example, on Friday. Then if status is status, so that is the status column, is something, so is stuck for example. Send an email. So here you can type your email. Task stuck. Make sure to finish. And then I did item name in time. Oh, whoops. Gotta type that real quick. And that is then the email. And then to someone. So you can either click on me, or you can actually select the people column. So then when you select person, then every time you have a specific task assigned to a different person, then monday.com will read that and send the email to that specific person in charge of that task. So then you can add this to your board, and that's how you can connect your Gmail. The other way is also if you go to, for example, over here to, for example, if you have a contact list, you can actually click on open, and then here add widget, emails and activities, and then you can go to the settings. And then here you can also add your Gmail account, just like that. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.